Hi, boys and girls. So for the Dr. Seuss book today, before I start reading, I want you to keep in mind, we are looking for why Dr. Seuss wrote his books, the kinds of characters he used, the settings he used, the words he chose, the illustrations. So keep those things in mind as I read the next book. Hop on Pop by Dr. Seuss. Down at the bottom it says, the simplest Seuss for youngest use. That means this book is going to be even easier than the ones before. Let's find out. Up, up. Pup is up. That's pretty easy, I think. Cup, pup. Pup in cup. Pup, cup. Cup on pup. Mouse, house. Mouse on house. Mouse, or house, mouse. House on mouse. All tall, we all are tall. All small, we all are small. There we go. All ball, we all play ball. Ball, wall, up on a wall. All fall, fall off the wall. Wow, there's a ton of rhyming words in this book. Play, day, we play all day. Night, fight, we fight all night. He, me, he is after me. Him, Jim, Jim is after him. CB, we see a bee. CB3, now we see three. Three tree, three fish in a tree. Fish in a tree? How can that be? Red, red, they call me Red. Red bed, I am in bed. Red, Ned, Ted, and Ed in bed. Pat, Pat, they call him Pat. Pat sat on a hat. Pat, cat, Pat sat on a cat. Pat, bat, Pat sat on a bat. No, Pat, no, don't sit on that. Sad dad, bad had. Dad is sad, very, very sad. He had a bad day. What a day Dad had. Thing, thing. What is that thing? Thing, sing. That thing can sing. Song long, all a long, long song. Goodbye thing, you sing too long. Walk, walk, we like to walk. Walk, talk, we like to talk. Hop, pop, we like to hop. We like to hop on top of Pop. Stop! You must not hop on Pop. Mr. Brown, Mrs. Brown. Mr. Brown, upside down. Pop up, Brown down. Pop is down. Where is Brown? Where is Brown? There is Brown. Mr. Brown is out of town. Back, black. Brown came back. Brown came back with Mr. Black. Snack, snack, eat a snack. Eat a snack with Brown and Black. Jump, bump, he jumped, he bumped. Fast, past, he went past, fast. Went, sent, went, tent, sent. He went into the tent. I sent him out of the tent. Wet, get. Two dogs get wet. Help, yelp. They yelp for help. Hill, will. Will went up a hill. Will, hill, still? Will is uphill still. Whew, this is hard to say. Father, mother, sister, brother. That one is my other brother. My brothers read a little bit. Little words like if and it. My father can read big words too, like Constantinople and Timbuktu. All right, those two words are way harder than the rest of the words in the book. Say. What does this say? Ask me tomorrow, but not today. What does that say? See, he, me, we, pat, pop, pop, he, three, tree, bee, top, hop, stop. Whew, that was hard to say. Do you know why that was hard to say? Dr. Seuss forgot to put the spaces in between his words. All right, that is the end, boys and girls. Let's talk about the setting. Where did this book happen? Kind of like the other ones, it seems to happen all over the place. Some scenes were in a house, some scenes were out of a house, some scenes were in the water, some were on a tree. One looked like it was even in the desert. Interesting. Who are the characters in this story? Once again, kind of a lot of different types of characters. And Dr. Seuss characters are all types of things, like kind of people, kind of animals, kind of creatures. But there wasn't really one that stuck around for every page. They all seem to be some sort of different characters on each page. Let's talk about the words. Did you hear any rhyming? Please say yes. My mouth hurts. My brain hurts from trying to say all those rhyming words. It almost turned into a tongue twister. I don't know if you've heard that before, but a tongue twister is when things sound so much alike and the words get jumbled up, it's hard to say. But yes, a ton of rhyming words in this book. Let's think about the illustrations now. Do you remember last time we talked about the white blank space behind in the background of Dr. Seuss drawings? I see that definitely here. I wonder though if he left those white spaces for the words. I noticed that a lot of his characters have those black lines on them to help add fuzz to their bodies. Even the people too. What do you notice about the colors that Dr. Seuss uses? I noticed that he sticks with one color and he doesn't mix them up much. So it's kind of like if you were to take one marker and color with just that one marker. See, that is the color blue he chose. He doesn't have dark blue. He doesn't have a lighter blue. It's only one type of blue on this page. This bird is only one kind of yellow and one kind of orange. All right, let's look at some more things. The house roofs are all one type of gray. The seesaw is exactly one type of orange, except there's only a little bit of black in those lines that he draws. So Dr. Seuss likes those solid colors, colors that aren't mixed. My last question to you is, why do you think Dr. Seuss made this book? We learned early on that he made his books because he wanted kids to have easy books to read. Do you think this book would be easy for you to read if you're already reading? I think so. I would have to say, with so much rhyming and such small words, this book is pretty easy for kids to read. Now, I know a lot of kids in our class cannot read it, and that is totally fine. But kids in first grade and second grade, I think they would agree that this book is pretty easy to read. And that's what Dr. Seuss wanted to do, make books that were simple for kids to read. Thank you, boys and girls, for listening with me and learning with me, all right? Until next time with more Dr. Seuss books, take care.